I need a fucking chocolate, guys. Fuck that shit. This is unbelievable. Hey guys. I got some chocolates, guys, from some guy who works in a chocolate store. And he told me, Dino, you wanna try my chocolates? And I'm like, okay, man, you can try, because I love chocolates, guys. So he told me, can you try it and put it on YouTube and say something about chocolates? I'm gonna, man, send it to me and I'm gonna try it. So I forgot about that. That was like maybe 1 week ago. So that guy sent me 2 chocolates, and it's kind of like Slovenia store, who's I don't know, so moja čokolada SC, you see. No, my chocolate.sc, moja čokolada. Make your chocolate by your own taste. You know, see. So this they just send me some chocolates to, you see. Oh, you can see it because there is a green skin. It's a green and blue one. You see a rubber. It says it's kind of like chocolate with menthol and chocolate with vanilla and strawberry. So I got 2 chocolates, guys. See, I got 2 chocolates. I'm not gonna fucking give away, Mija. Fuck you, Mija. I'm gonna fucking eat it. I can't give you everything, man. You know? So I'm gonna try those chocolates, and I'm gonna say if this chocolate is good or not. They say just it's organic chocolate with menthol, vegan. Vegan. It's kind of like healthy. Like they say this healthy chocolate. It's not like normal. Let me see if it's good, guys. I wanna try it. So I'm gonna open that. It has a nice paper, you know. I'm gonna try this chocolate. It's a dark chocolate, you know. Dark chocolate is dark chocolates are kind of like healthy for your health, you know. So you can find it on roar.sc. I don't know if you're like a chocolate fan, you know. You can see this one better. I see if you see it better. It's this one is with strawberry. So I'm gonna take just one bite of with menthol. It tastes different than normal chocolate. It's chocolate like After Eight, you know, After Eight, but I don't know, guys. It has some unique. It's not bad chocolate. It's not bad. It's kind of like chocolate. I'm gonna take one more. You know, I'm not licking the chocolate. I'm swallowing the chocolate. You know, like true Bosnian. You know, the normal guys are licking, you know, but Bosnians are swallowing them. So, you know, I gotta take a time to lick that. No? So, no problem, badass, man. You're 2 away from 300. Good job, badass. So, this chocolate is quite expensive. It's like €3.50. But for all you guys who wants to eat vegan and normal, and it says it's vegan and it's chocolate with character. And it's not bad chocolate mental. It reminds you of After Eight, guys. If you like After Eight, so this one is good. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely eat it. It's not bad. So now I'm gonna try this one with strawberry. What's up, Hypa? Some guy just killed me in the game. I fucked the motherfucker of him. And that fucking glitchy game, man. I just need a chocolate, so I have them. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one, but this one, you see, it looks like this. Look at this. So you got like 1, 2, 3, 12 bars, or 4 bars, and it has, you see, I think that's a strawberry behind. I'm gonna try this one with strawberry. Let me see. Yeah, this chocolate is a little bit expensive because it's like natural chocolate, you know. Okay, I'm trying this one with strawberry. It reminds me on Milka with strawberry. I like it more, this one, than menthol. It's dark chocolate. It's good. It tastes good. It's like chocolate. But they say it's a vegan and it's made from natural. It's not with chemicals, and so it's not bad, guys. It's quite good. So, you know, if you wanna give somebody to like surprise something special, so I think this chocolate is good. It's rubber. So you can go mojačokolada.sc and you can check this out, chocolates. They're good, guys. Okay, let's go play. I'm gonna pray. Oh, I'm feeling better. Chocolates help you for everything, guys. You know?